Oh my God. Here's extra power, baby. Let's send it.
Oh my God, yeah. Ground effect and we're up. Oh.
All right, Leroy, let's go have some fun.
All right.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, how you doing that back home?
Ready for takeoff. 27 right for a left crosswind departure.
Oh, yeah.
315 let's try to hold short runway 27 right.
Still wave to all the kayakers and everybody out over the water.
We just came from somewhere right over here. We were at Torrey Pines before we came over.
Oh, okay. Boost pumps coming on.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, Red Rock and stuff is gorgeous, but there is something about cruising down the coast.
Oh, yeah. You got La Jolla off your left side where all the rich people live. You see all their houses up here in a second along the cliffs.
Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
Oh, yeah. Go over here and wave hi to all the people on the sailboats.
Oh my God.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful through here. God, I love this job.
Yeah, you can't go wrong here, man. Definitely beats flying with kids trying to kill you every day.
Uh-huh. Hell yeah, it does. Coronado Bridge right here. North Island Tower, extra 6 on X-ray Tango over the bridge in the turn, looking for the taxiway Delta transition.
Extra 9 extra Tango, climb, maintain 1,500, contact Limburg.
1,500, contact Limburg, 6 on X-ray Tango, thanks guys, see you in a bit.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, first up's a strap check. All right, you didn't fall out. It's always a good day.
Yeah.
All right. So first up's going to be an aileron roll. So you see the nose just keep it up a little high. And then just push directly over to your left side. Level it out. Let the nose come back up. And then do a couple to the right. Whee!
Oh, yeah.
All right, you ready to give it a shot?
Ready to give it a shot.
All right, you got the flight controls?
I got the flight controls.
All right, nose up, push left. A little more left. There you go. Woo! All right, send us to the right.
Whoa! Holy shit.
Yeah, baby. All right, I got the flight controls.
You got the controls?
All right, next one's going to be a barrel roll.
All right.
All right, so with this one, we just go pull up or pull back until about 45 degrees nose up, and then we put some left stick in as we continue to pull. Just like that. You got the flight controls?
I got the flight controls.
All right, let's send it. Straight back. There you go. Now left stick. Gonna stall a little bit. Not a big deal. Bring her around. Let the speed build. All right.
Okay.
Alright, I got the flight controls.
You got the controls? That's weird feeling that stall like that.
Oh yeah. Well, as soon as, if you feel the stall, just stop pulling, let the nose drop a bit, and the speed come up. Is all good. Alright, about 150. I'll just pull straight back. Nice and smooth, nothing too crazy. Over at the top, I just stop pulling, let the stick stay where it's at. Let my airspeed build, and then pull to the horizon. All right, nice smooth pull straight back. Less pull. Less pull. Right here is perfect. Now a little more pull. Just through the top. There you go. Now just leave it right here. There you go. Let the speed build. Pull to the horizon.
7036.
Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Then we're going to go pull straight back, nice and smooth. Then we're going straight vertical. I'm just going to hang out here. All right, 45, I go full left pedal. Neutralize as I come around. Let the airspeed build.
5,800.
Pull to the horizon.
Holy.
Ready to give it a shot?
I'm ready.
All right, you got the flight controls.
I got the controls.
All right, pull straight back.
What is your location?
Setting east to Wesley, over Alpine Apache 5000.
All right, hold right here.
Simulated.
No more backstick.
San Diego.
All right, we're going for a loop. Go ahead and bring it around. Oh, that's all good. We'll set up and do it again.
A little too much back at the top.
Yeah, a little too much back at the top. Not a big deal. You can go ahead and look out your left side, left and right. Try to keep your wings heavy on the, or even on the horizon.
Okay.
Coast traffic, going for board.
All right, go ahead and pull straight up.
Shore, Del Mar Racetrack 1300.
All right, right here is perfect. Just hang right here. No more backs, no more back, no more back. There you go. Full left pedal. Full right pedal. Or not full right pedal, just neutralize, sorry. Whee! All right, let the airspeed build, pull to the horizon. Nice and smooth. Woo! Little soft. Let the speed build, there you go. All right, I got the flight controls.
Got the controls.
All right, so for this one, it's set up just like the Hammerhead.
6,500 outside Hill Capital.
So like right here, once I'm up, I don't need any more backstick. I just hold here. And then if we do this right, we'll fall through our own smoke. Just like that. Let the airspeed build. And we'll pull to the horizon. Right there, now just pitch us straight up. Right here is perfect, stop pulling. Let the stick stay where it's at. Whee!
Wow.
All right, let the airspeed build and pull to the horizon. Ah!
Wow.
All right, let's go. Woo-hoo!
Oh,
Yeah! How was that?
that was awesome.
About perfect. And a 1, 2. Yeehaw! Woo! Dark Star, Ace 2, commit bullseye, 30015 at 6,000 feet. Time on target, 2122 Zulu. We are 2 by GBU 12s with laser code 1176 set. We have 7 rep alpha, and we're looking to cause some trouble. You got an update for us? Copy, Dark Star. Copy, Ace 2. This is Dark Star. We got a troops in contact situation. Enemies are 1 click west of the target area. Recommend low level ingress. You have unlocated manpad and AAA in the area. Then Rep Bravo is current. How copy? Copy, Dark Star. Ace 2 has Bravo, and we'll give you a 30-second TOT. Welcome back!
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Wow, that was intense.
You pulled 8 Gs!
San Diego, southeast, white, gray Cessna, over Humboldt Valley at
Alright, so we're getting low and fast below enemy radar.
Falls.
Wide open for small arms and RPGs. Keep a lookout for me. Missile launch, big launch, brake right, Ace 2 defending, jet flare! Holy shit, he overshot. Almost stick one up the tailpipe, Leroy.
Oh, shit.
Dark Star Ace 2 is 30 seconds TOT. Copy, Ace 2, you're cleared hot. Bring the rain. All right, buddy, right in that clearing there. 3, 2, 1. Bombs away, bombs away, bombs away. Good contact, Ace 2. We got hair, teeth, and eyeballs everywhere. You boys are cleared, Ace. We'll see you next time. Thanks for the help, Dark Star. Ace 2 is off. We'll see you next time. It's dinner time, boys.